Sneezing. Sneeze is a semi-autonomous convulsive explosion of air from lungs through nose and mouth, usually caused by foreign particles. Sneezing is caused by irritation to mucous membrane of nose or throat. It can be very bothersome, but it is rarely a sign of serious problem. Sneeze can be due to allergy to pollen, mold, dander, dust, etc. What happens during sneezing? The sneeze center sends out a signal to tightly close your throat, eyes, and mouth. Chest muscles contract and compress lungs, while throat muscles relax. All of that means air, saliva, and mucus is forced out of nose and mouth. Thank you.